A new interactive exhibition is bringing one of history's most famous voyages to life.
Yeah, Titanic, an immersive voyage, lets visitors step inside the world of that legendary ship. And on your side, Jenna Bass joins us now live from Tampa with more on this attraction. Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, so from the outside, it is massive. Then this warehouse is filled with artifacts and exhibits from the Titanic. So they set sail April 10th, 1912. So over 100 years, I'm told almost 114 now. We've been fascinated with the story behind Titanic. So let me open this up to show you one of the more immersive exhibits here. Feeling kind of regal. We have Gotham with Exhibition Hub. Now, you guys are kind of the masterminds behind these tours. So talk to me about what brings this tour to Tampa and what sets it apart, because there are a lot of different Titanic's exhibits nationwide.
Absolutely. Thank you, Jenna. What brings us to Tampa? Tampa is a port city. Actually, the Tampa Coast Guard cutter was assigned to patrol the North Atlantic after the disaster happened. So this just makes it, very natural to come here. And what sets us apart is, we are about, yes, we are about artifacts and the facts, but then we're also about utilizing the technology to bring this to the audiences. And what you will see here is an immersive experience, which is two-story projection. And then you will be wowed by this VR, which you have to try.
And we're going to try that. So that's a little tease for later, the immersive experience and the VR. But right now, we are in one of the most recognizable scenes, obviously, from the movie. So talk to me about what, this is a family-friendly exhibit, first of all. Talk to me about what people are saying when they come through, especially when they're seeing some of these exhibits that are so recognizable.
Oh, absolutely. When you see families and kids, they visit, they fall in love with the Grand Staircase. This is so iconic. As we were talking about, you can imagine the first-class passengers coming down the stairs and, going to the balls or, going for fancy dinners. So this is a very big photo spot. In several cities, I've seen wedding proposals happening here. And I have seen, date nights, families, kids. It's just an amazing centerpiece of our exhibition.
Well, thank you so much for letting us know. Now, we are definitely going to stick with you guys and show you a little bit more, not too much, a little more sneak peeks here through the exhibit. It's going through mid-April, so we'll have all that information and then show you a little bit more of that immersive experience coming up.